We are having Taiwanese breakfast again. We're at the breakfast shop that we've been frequenting like the past several days. It's like our local little trusty breakfast spot. We just ordered, so we're waiting for the food. But today is going to be a day of like shopping. We're gonna go to Costco, Taiwan Costco together for the first time. And then we're also gonna go to IKEA, kind of just to see if they have like anything interesting or different, because we haven't really visited like an overseas Costco or IKEA. But yeah, we're gonna be doing that today after we eat breakfast. We are done with Costco, and it was just such a mess inside. There were a lot of people, and maybe it's our fault for coming on a Saturday, but it was just really busy and crowded inside, and low-key it was like a little like frustrating because also our cart wasn't like functioning properly. It would like randomly turn by itself, so it wasn't exactly the best experience, but it was still pretty interesting to walk around and see things. We didn't get too much, but we got 2 like big packs of masks. And then we also got some dried guava and some like airwaves, which is like gum from like Taiwan. But yeah, we didn't get too much, but it was quite an experience. Hello. And then now we're going back to our Airbnb to drop everything off. It's not a lot, but we just don't want to carry it all day, so we're gonna go drop it off, and then we are going to head to IKEA. Taking the metro. We're on our way to IKEA. We were just at the Taipei main station. We were shopping around. We were looking at like music stores and like looking for CDs and vinyls, but we didn't really find much. So now we are on our way to IKEA, and we are waiting for the Green Line metro. Trying to debate whether to get 1 or 2 of these shark bags. I say 2. And you're saying 1?
Yeah. It's more a collector's item than something that we'll actually use.
It's so memey.
What?
It's so memey. The shark. We've never seen these bags at IKEA before. Dark. Lighting is so bad in here. We just finished up with IKEA, and it wasn't too different from like the IKEA in the States, but we did get a few things. We got these like metal chopsticks because we've never seen chopsticks at IKEA in the States, obviously, and they're dishwasher safe, so we got a few packs of those. And then now we are going to dinner, which is going to be at another night market. This time we're going to, I think it's pronounced Ningxia, but it's another night market. It's near the Shuanglian station, which is on the Green Line, and we're excited about that. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
You're sleepy. found. Going home, we're at the metro station again. We're waiting for a train. It just left actually. What are you doing? We're both super full on like night market food. The one we went to was Ningxia, and it was pretty good. It was really crowded though, but we liked it. We liked the food. We're going home now. We're probably not gonna do anything else because we're both like pretty tired. And also, he's been having like knee issues all day, and so probably should get some rest. That's it for this vlog. Thank you for watching.
Bye.